love the birds. They're amazing.
Yeah?
It's like the best thing I've seen this year.
How many birds do you think is in the cage?
I think there's like 20, 25, something like that.
And what we're doing here tonight is right up our street, delivering the mystery cage bird for fetching it out of the city of Doncaster into our local villages, where in November we held Go Rise in the Wool Market and the Minster. So rather than people have to come into our city centre, we've fetched an event out to our communities, which is very good, as a lot of people can't get into the city centre now. So we're delivering it now for joy and put a little smile on kids' face, and it's been a really wonderful event.
We don't see each other much, so it's beautiful to be
nice
together.
Quiet street to see as well, that whole street together.
I know.
Tonight we are bringing the mystery bird to towns and villages across Doncaster. And the reason we're doing this is every year we deliver the Festival of Light in Doncaster Town Centre, and we wanted to bring a bit of that joy out to people's doorsteps across the borough so that they could enjoy it from their own homes.
That's amazing, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's nice when it stops. Fly out. It's really good.
The project will be here and travelling around until Saturday this week.